Galaxies are the clusters of stars, dust, gases, and dark matter held together by gravitational pull. This gravity has put everything together in this universe and set everything seemingly in a perfect manner. Although perfection is a myth, and in order to balance out and to be in equilibrium, things are the mix of both positive and negative aspect. And this is how the blend of beauty and bizarre our universe is. Universe has galaxies, stars, dust, cloud, light, and even time. And this is what makes us hopeful for time traveling in future, as proposed by Stephen Hawking. We humans are tiny speckles of dust in the whole universe. We are celestial bodies just like any other object in the universe. All the elements that our body has were made in stars through the processes of nuclear fusion, and we are just vibrating in different frequencies. Universe has a beautiful simulation, and this hypothesis was given by Nick Bostrom, who is a Swedish-born philosopher at Oxford University. He proposed that our universe is a beautiful simulation similar to a computer simulation and might have been created by some highly intelligent creators. This is a recent theory, but what earlier theories suggest about the origin of universe? Let's explore that. Before that, do a quick work, like and share the video, and also subscribe the channel in order to explore the simulation where we live through the videos that I share on the topics of Earth, oceans, and astronomical sciences. I believe these three sciences encloses all the secrets that we are seeking. Earlier theory suggested that universe began with Big Bang, and the theory is known as Big Bang theory. At the beginning, universe was tiny, dense, heated point called as singularity that later expanded and continuously stretching and growing as larger as it is today. Big Bang theory was proposed by astronomer Georges Lemaître in 1927. This theory was confirmed 2 years later when another astronomer, Edwin Hubble, observed that galaxies were shifting away from us. The farthest galaxies were advancing rapidly than the closer ones. 13 billion years ago, Big Bang happened, and time after the Big Bang is divided into two eras called radiation and matter eras. Within few seconds of the expansion, universe cooled and started building the electrons and quark. Quark is an elementary particle that are held together by a strong nuclear force that forms protons and neutrons. In the next millionth of second, quark accumulated to produce protons and neutrons, and within a minute, protons and neutrons formed nuclei by combining. This first atom completely formed after 380,000 years of Big Bang when electrons trapped in orbits around the nucleus. These first atoms were the hydrogen and helium that are still the most abundant elements in the universe. More and more hydrogen and helium production forms the clouds of these gases that are known as nebula, and that eventually turned into stars 150 to 200 million years after the Big Bang. And from here, the story began of all elemental development in the core of the stars when hydrogen fused into helium atom and chain proceeded to beryllium, carbon, oxygen, and iron. And finally, the fuel of the star exhausted after the iron formation, and star dies with a big explosion known as supernova. Clusters of these stars makes up the galaxies, and one of that galaxy is Milky Way, which is home to our solar system. When a star in a Milky Way had gone through a supernova explosion, produced shock waves that crumbled the nearby clouds of gases known as nebula and turned it into a spinning disk of material. Gravity pulled heavier material at the center of the disk, forming a core known as Sun. And the left out material away from the Sun coalesced and formed all the planets including our Earth. The first known life in our solar system took birth 9.2 billion years after the Big Bang, and it took 13 billion years for humans to evolve in this universe. If we conclude 13 billion years in a clock, then we humans are just for the duration of 15 seconds.